Hi everyone, I am Hari Krishna. You are watching High School TV by Hari. Today's topic is second chapter Polynomials 10th class exercise 2.2. First bit, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. We have to find the zeros and how to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Solution. It is the first question, x square minus 2x minus 8. How can you find the zeros? By splitting middle term method, we can find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. It is in the form of x square plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic polynomial, x square term and x to the power of 1 term and the constant term. First x square and minus 8. First term, last term. First write as it is, x square and 8 minus 8. Find the product of this minus 8 into this x square term. Minus 8 into x square is equals to minus 8x square. Now we have to find the two integers. Their product is minus 8x square and sum is middle term minus 2x. Product is minus 8x square. First take minus 8. Minus 8 factors are 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. 1 into minus 8 is equals to minus 8 and 2 table 2 into 4 equals to 8 minus 4. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. It is can also be written as minus 2 into 4 also minus 8. It is also minus 1 into plus 8 is equals to minus 8. Plus 1 into minus 8, minus 1 into plus 8, plus 2 minus 4, minus 2 into plus 4. By multiplying this we get a minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. So minus 8 can be written like this and sum is equals to minus 2x. By using these factors only we should get the minus 2x. It is a 1 minus 8. First one I am taking. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. We are not getting this minus 2. We are not considered x square, only considering minus 8, minus 2. I am now consider only this coefficients only, minus 2. Now these factors, minus 1 plus 8, it is a 7. Bigger number is 7 now, plus 7. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Bigger number minus 2. And this last one, minus 2 plus 4 is equals to minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. Bigger number. It is a subtraction. Bigger number is plus. So plus 2. It is minus 2. We should get minus 2. Where we have got this here. Minus 2. So plus 2 minus 4 is equals to minus 2. Sum of this. We found two integers. Sum of the two numbers is middle term minus 2 and the product is 2 plus 2 into minus 4 plus 2 into minus 4 is 8. It is a product. X square, right, x square, 2x into 4x, 8x square plus 2x into minus 4x is minus 2x. So minus 2x can be written as plus 2x minus 4x. So this is splitting like this, plus 2x minus 4x. Answer we get this only. Now from this 2, what is the common? X is common is there, taken outside. Remaining here x plus here 2. X into x is x square and x into 2 is 2x. From this 2 are the minus symbols there. Minus 4x minus 8. Here minus 4 is the common from these two terms. Minus 4 is taken out, remaining from this term x. Minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Minus into plus is minus. If you write here minus, you get wrong. Minus 4 2s, minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Now it is a total single term, it is also single term. From this, any common terms are there? X plus 2 are the common, no? So x plus 2 is a common. Write outside. Remaining from this term, x plus 2 taken outside, remaining x. From this term, total term, x plus 2 is taken out, remaining minus 4. So we got these are the factors, x plus 2 and x minus 4. How to get the zeros? When equating these to 0. So x plus 2 into x minus 4 is equals to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 4 equals 0 means any of these two factors are 0. X plus 2 equals 0 or this value x minus 4 is equals to 0. From this, transposing plus 2 to other side, minus 2. X equals to minus 2. From this, transposing minus 4 to other side of the equal, it becomes plus 4. So x equals minus 2, x equals plus 4 are the zeros. Zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to minus 2 comma 4. These are the two zeros. How can we verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient? It is a verification. What is our equation? It is a x square minus 2x minus 8. It is a ax square. A equals to, in the place of a means 1x square, it is a coefficient is 1. B equals to bx minus 2x means minus 2 is a coefficient, plus c equals to minus 8. Sum of zeros is equals to, sum of the zeros equals to minus b by a. Minus b by a nothing but b is minus 2, minus of b value minus 2 by a value 1, minus into minus to plus 2 by 1, nothing but it is a 2. Sum of the zeros we got by using formula. It is a coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, it is 2. And sum of the zeros we got two zeros, minus 2 plus 4. In the LHS I am writing minus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? Minus 2 plus 4 is 2, no? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 is equal to, it is a LHS. RHS is also 2. LHS equals RHS. Now by using this formula, sum of the zeros we got 2. By our manual method, sum of the zeros, by adding this we get 2. So both are verified, now equal we got. Now product of zeros. Equals to, it is a c by a. C by a nothing but c is minus 8 by a is 1. Minus 8 by 1 nothing but minus 8. In the LHS, our zeros are minus 2 and 4. No, product of zeros means minus 2 into minus 4. Sorry, it is plus 4. Minus 2 into 4 is 2 4s 8. Minus symbol is there, minus 8. Minus 8 equals to minus 8 now. So product of the zeros also verified by using the formula, and it is a direct method. It is a product multiplying these zeros. We got same relation between the zeros and coefficients are verified. Observe once again. If this video useful to you, please like, subscribe and share.